Pawan Khera, the BJP can and will say in its defense that the victim named 4 people in her dying declaration. It's not as if the Uttar Pradesh government didn't act on that complaint. They moved in with speed. Those 4 accused are currently in jail. And the SIT now and the CBI later is doing a thorough probe. And there is no reason at this moment to imagine that what we've unraveled in our investigation is not what will emerge in the SIT investigation or the CBI investigation. We shouldn't put the cart before the horse and let the actual investigators complete their investigation without prejudging what they may or may not do. Pawan Khera.
Rahul, what your channel shows are shocking revelations. A series of missteps, you may call them lapses, have taken place right from the word go. The girl, the victim, is taken in an auto rickshaw from the police station to the hospital. The initial report at the district hospital does suggest forced penetration. Forensics are done 11 days after the incident, whereas 96 hours is what they should be done to collect samples. One after the other, forced cremation. Then you try and get PR agencies to plant cover-up stories. Aapsi ranjish thi, affair tha, you're trying to destroy her reputation. They knew each other. Obviously, it's a small village. People will know each other. And 94% of rapes are done by acquaintances or close relatives. I mean, this is data. So what are the even, then PFI angle, then the ED angle, all kinds of angles. It can't just, the buck has to stop at Lucknow or maybe beyond Lucknow. It can't just be collector ko aapne keh diya, SP ko keh diya, DIG ko. No, it's much, much more than them. You can't just blame one department or one level of one department.
Okay, Shantanu Gupta, from the word go, in this case there have been lapses. And what's happened just over the last 48 hours, that first we had unnamed sources reveal that 100 crore rupees went into the bank accounts of the Bhim Army, money coming from the Popular Front of India, apparently routed from Mauritius. Then we had enforcement directorate officials on the ground in Lucknow, in Delhi, calling in panic, saying, but we've done no such probe, we found nothing of the sort, so please do not run this story. So from the first day to now, it seems like lots of lapses, one after the other, leading to the question whether these are deliberate, whether instead of trying to get to the bottom of what actually happened, an effort is being made to try and spin it in a way that somehow the victim is to blame, somehow the victim's family is to blame, somehow this is a case of honor killing, which is what a lot of people are saying, without any evidence to substantiate that charge, without looking at the actual weight of evidence that presents itself. Shantanu Gupta.
Rahul, the way the irresponsible reporting was done by certain channels, I will take any string done by any channel with a big pinch of salt, with a handful of salt, not even a pinch of salt. So I don't have any extra reason to believe that your string is the correct string. Is it the correct Dinesh Verma? Or Dinesh Verma is not here to basically retaliate what you're saying. So having said that, in fact, when I went to the village 4 days back, I was surprised that the accused house, which is hardly 70 meters away, every second house have a different narrative. Why media never shown me that narrative? Why the videos which are available in every mobile of that village, in every local reporter's camera, why they were not accessible to any big media channel? Were they too busy in tutoring to the Karyakartas of Congress? Were they too busy tutoring the brother? Which kind of videos do they want? Or they're too busy telling you 25 lakh ka 50 lakh denge? So I think let's not be James Bonds here. Let SIT, CBI do their job. I think I'll request every channel, please stop these sting operations, because this is giving some picture one way and some picture other way. Let CBI and SIT do their job, because that's why then police will start also saying, okay, we have to defend, and instead of probe, they will be managing their narrative rather than doing the probe.
No, but what do you have to say about the fact that initially, Shantanu Gupta, it is suggested that the ED has carried out some big probe, that the PFI has been routing money into the bank accounts of the Bhim Army, and then the enforcement director turns around and says, but this is not true. There are no 100 crores. In fact, there is no such probe, and we found nothing of the sort.
So to my understanding, there is no party official or any government official talked about this. But yeah, there is news that PFI people were arrested and the real PFI people got arrested. In the December NTCA raid, after that 25 PFI people first and 105 PFI people later arrested. So this is a tendency in UP. Whenever there is a ruckus, PFI funds the group, whichever is active there. That time some other group during the NTCA raid, and now Bhim Army. When I went to the house, I stood inside the victim's house for 15 minutes, just silent like a fly on the wall. If some channel says the narrative which family is comfortable with, it's fine. If the channel asks a very tough question, all of a sudden the 6, 7 boys are coming. So मैं वाल्मीकि का बेटा हूँ, आप किससे बात कर रही हैं? When I inquired who those boys are, they're Bhim Army boys. They have a narrative shield there. If you try to do any other question, that where were you not happy with the relationship with the boy, they will all of a sudden 5, 6 boys will come. So there is the narrative is guarded there very smartly in this house.